In this video, we'll look at the clinical signs of dehydration in dogs and cats. The following list is not exhaustive and not always specific to dehydration alone, but does include some of the most common signs associated with dehydration in dogs and cats. Dry or tacky gums or mucous membranes, including the nose. Skin tent. This can be checked by lifting the scruff at the back of the neck and letting it drop. If there's a delay before the skin returns to its original position, it's likely the animal is dehydrated. A rapid heart rate. Sunken or deep set eyes. Lethargy, collapse. This can also be seen through an altered level of consciousness. Panting, especially seen in cats. And finally, thick saliva, often described as glue-like.